Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones Edifier W830NB using your Android device. So basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a control panel. And right here you have a battery percentages. Or you can go to settings, connected devices, and here you can also have a battery percentages. And the last one option is to use an application. So just open it, and right here we also have a battery percentages, so you can check it also here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.